Aloha! Tom here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorites. Actually from my cookbook, Shoyu Chicken Musubi. It's a really easy recipe to make and it's really good. Old family recipe that's so simple. So here's how I do it. This recipe is set up to make 9 musubi. We usually make shoyu chicken for dinner and then make a few for our lunch the next day. You could also just enjoy the chicken and rice without making a musubi. The ingredients include 3 cups rice, 5 sheets nori, 2 pounds chicken thighs, 2 cloves garlic, 1 piece ginger, 2 teaspoons oil, 1 cup sugar, and 1 cup shoyu. The first step is to remove the skin from the thighs. There's only 5 ingredients for the marinade. The first is soy sauce, or shoyu. I like the Aloha brand. Pure cane granulated sugar, just white sugar. A slice of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and a little oil, and I use canola oil. Set your stove's temperature to medium. Then place a medium-sized stock pot on it. Proceed to add the oil, a few slices of ginger, and the minced garlic. Saute them for a few minutes. Now add the shoyu and the sugar. And allow the sugar to melt before adding the chicken. Okay, now add the chicken. As you can see, I just happen to have a couple drumsticks, so I added them into the chicken. So in reality, you could use whatever cut of meat you want, wings or breasts. I just like the thighs. It's the most flavorful and seems to work the best. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for about an hour and a half. You can check the temperature and lower it if it boils too hard. And you could flip the chicken once or twice during the 1.5 hour cooking. Now it's a good time to start the rice. Make 3 cups. Since we have time, I set it for long cook. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. The chicken looks done. It has great color, the meat's falling off the bone, and the sauce is slightly thickened. Okay, now we can start assembling our musubi. I'm going to make a shoyu chicken musubi with the meat on top this time. I usually make it in the middle, sandwiched between rice, because it's more portable and holds together better. But it shows better with the chicken on top. So fill your rice mold almost to the top and press firmly. Remove the mold. Now get some chicken and remove it from the bone. You can see how tender it is as it just falls off the bone. Now place some chicken pieces on top. And wrap in nori. And there you have it. Cut it in half. Use some of the extra sauce for a dipping sauce. This sauce is really good. Oh, this is so delicious and flavorful. I highly recommend it. Enjoy! Check out my full line of musubi kitchen tools at musubimaker.com. Mahalo for watching.